There ain't nothing that sounds better than a flathead. Well, there it is, Vintage Arco. Thank you, Joe Sebregandio. Picked it up from Joe, brought it back from California while I was at Joe's Minibike reunion this past weekend. I actually cut a deal on this thing, a couple of months ago from him. And then we kind of just let it go. I wasn't out in California for a while. I didn't want to ship it. So when I got out there last week and I saw it in the garage, he said, hey, you know, I still got that Arco. And I said, hey, I'm going to take it. Right? I was already there in California, so I guess I had to. Anyway, we're going to do a build up on it, on the Alexander Reynolds. It's got a nice little jack shaft set up on it, 4-inch front, 6-inch or 5-inch rear. What do we got there? We got a, can I see it? It's hard to see. That's got a 6-inch rear. Going to leave the flathead in it. It's a little 3-horse. I do a little work to it, mill the head, maybe throw a rod in it, get rid of the pulse carburetor, and maybe put a small little 19 mil on it, build a manifold for it, but keep it flathead cool, and that's what I want to do. I remember these bikes when I was a kid. Never had one, but I knew a buddy that had one. They were made in New Jersey, if I remember right. And that's it. It's got a little scrub brake on it. We're gonna leave it. We're gonna leave this thing as close to stock as possible, with a little bit of period style hot rod stuff. So follow along on the YouTube channel, and this will be getting built here in the next couple of weeks. We got a couple other projects in front of it first. So pretty cool. Hope you guys like it. We'll see what happens. Later.